How to add keyframe in Capcut on PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add keyframe in Capcut on PC. So let's dive in. So first open up your Capcut app, and here you have to open the project that you want to work on, and then you have to import it and click this plus sign over here and add it to the track. Once done, now to add keyframe you simply have to just select this over here, this project, and then you have to come to this video section, and under the basic section you'll see this transform, scale, uniform scale, position and rotate option. So just choose a place where you want to add the keyframe and click this diamond icon and add the first keyframe. Now we must add 3 keyframes so that we can do the zoom in and zoom out on this video. So you have to skip a few frames and then add the second keyframe again, and then just repeat the process, like just skip a few frames and then add the third keyframe as well. Now you have to go to the second keyframe again, go back to the second keyframe, and here you have to just increase the value of the scale to the extent that you want to zoom it in. Now once you go back and play this video, you'll see that it zooms in and out on the place where I added the keyframe. So wait for it. So here you can see I have added 3 keyframes, and wherever I had added the keyframe on the video, it zoomed in on the point where I zoomed it in, and then it zoomed out where I zoomed it out. So that's how you add keyframes on Capcut PC. And you can also click this image over here, and you can go over here, and then you can go to this rotate section over here, and you can choose to add keyframe to the rotate section as well. Just add the first keyframe again and skip a few frames, and then add the second keyframe over here, and then you have to skip a few frames again and add the third keyframe, and then you have to just go back to the second keyframe over here, and here you have to just increase the value of rotate over here. And once you do so, now you have to go back to the first keyframe and play this video, and here you can see it starts rotating, and then you have to wait for it to reach the last keyframe, and it's going to come back to its place. And that's how you add keyframes in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.